Hey everyone, welcome to Twins TV, your one stop channel for all things Hollywood love, drama, transformation. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a story. In 2008, audiences around the world fell in love with Twilight and unknowingly with the stars behind it. Robert Pattinson and Kristen Stewart became more than just Edward and Bella. They became a real life Hollywood romance. But what really happened between them? Let's take a look at the love, the heartbreak, and where they are now. It all began in 2007 during the auditions for Twilight. Director Catherine Hardwicke said the chemistry between Kristen and Rob was instant, so much so that Kristen insisted he be cast. She said it couldn't be faked. Their connection off screen began quietly. By mid 2009, as the Twilight series gained massive global attention, fans began speculating they were more than just co stars. But the couple stayed silent, letting their chemistry speak volumes. From 2009 to 2012, Rob and Kristen were Hollywood's golden couple. They traveled together, promoted their films together, and were often photographed despite their effort to remain private. Kristen later shared that their relationship felt gross like a product once the media frenzy exploded. They were inseparable during the height of Twilight era, red carpets, interviews, and even casual coffee runs were enough to send fans into a frenzy. In July 2012, everything changed. Paparazzi photos revealed Kristen kissing director Rupert Sanders, who was married at the time. The news rocked Hollywood and devastated fans. Kristen issued a public apology, calling it a momentary indiscretion. Robert moved out of their shared home. Though they attempted to reconcile in late 2012 and appeared together at events, it wasn't enough. By May 2013, it was officially over. After 4 years of dating, Rob and Kristen called it quits, quietly and without drama. After the breakup, both stars took time to heal and reminisce themselves. Kristen embraced her identity publicly and began dating women. In 2019, she met screenwriter Dylan Meyer. This couple got engaged in 2021 and tied the knot in April 2025 in Los Angeles. Robert dated singer FKA Twigs for several years before beginning a low-key romance with model actress Suki Waterhouse in 2018. In 2024, the couple welcomed their first child. Meanwhile, their career flourished. Kristen has starred in acclaimed indies like Spencer and made her directorial debut in Cannes 2025. Robert wowed critics in The Lighthouse and took on Batman in 2022, proving his range and star power. To this day, fans can't help but wonder, could Rob and Kristen ever reunite on screen or even off? The idea of them sharing a screen again sends the internet into overdrive. Both actors have matured, evolved, and taken completely different paths. But one thing's for sure, their shared chapter in Twilight history will never fade. Will their path cross again? Hollywood has a funny way of bringing people full circle. They may have gone their separate ways, but Robert Pattinson and Kristen Stewart's story is one of young love, immense pressure, and personal growth. Their legacy as one of the most talked about couples of the 2010s undeniable. Thanks for watching Twins TV. If you love diving into Rob and Kristen's love story, give this video a like, drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more untold story of Hollywood's biggest star. We'll see you in the next one.